Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make these super easy wooden mountains. Now depending what I can sell these for, this could easily be the highest profit per hour that I've ever done. Now why is that? Well, I've made 8 sets of 3 in a little under 2 hours. And if I optimize a little bit, I think I can even crank out a bit more. So let's get started. To build these mountains, you can use whatever wood you got lying around in your workshop. I'll be using pine. These are offcuts from another project. These boards are about 30 mil thick and 100 mil wide. The first ones here are made with a 60-degree cut. Now I'll change the angle a bit to get some different sizes. I've cut a lot of different sizes. Now I just need to give them a good sand. All the pieces have been sanded, and now I'll move on to the surface treatment. The base for these are just going to be a standard countertop oil with a bit of color in it. Now I use a brush to apply the oil, but I don't know whether or not that's the best way. How do you apply the oil? Leave a comment below. And now for the last two. When you do use a brush, make sure that afterwards you wipe off all of them with a cloth to take all existing or excess oil. Right, the oil is all dry and we're ready for the final step of the surface treatment, and that is the white top of the mountain. So let me show you how we're going to do this. It's actually quite simple. Take a few pieces of tape, put on like this, both sides. Sort of in the same height. And you really want to make sure that the tape is on quite firmly here. So what we'll do is take a piece here, take my knife, I just want to get some clear 90-degree, oops, we'll put that in there. Both sides. Again, you really want to make sure that the tape is firmly attached. There we go. And we just need to apply the paint. Here we go. This is the last one. And as I mentioned, you really want to find a masking tape that is of good quality. And we're ready for the paint. Now for the top, I'm just using a standard indoor white paint with a small brush. Alright, we're done, and thank you so much for watching. I think they turned out pretty good. I'll probably put them up on SD or Facebook, and I'll sell them for 3 in a set. How much do you think they would go for? Anyway, I hope you like this little project, and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.